Om Namah Shivaya children. Children, today we'll be reading about your chapter Save the Environment. Now, as the name suggests, we should first understand the meaning of environment. Environment is the condition that surrounds all living organism. It means any living organism present on the earth's surface surrounds by certain conditions, whether it is climatic condition, physical condition, whatever it is. That condition comes under, or that condition where a living organism lives in, is called an environment. Now, for example, if I say you have a proper environment, like you stay in your house, you stay with your parents, you stay with your family, nearby you have your school, you have your friends, you have your neighbors, you have park, you have other recreational activities. So whatever is present in the surrounding and the condition that is same for all everybody present around you comes under the environment. In this chapter, we'll be learning about what is the importance of environment, what are the types of pollution that affects the environment or that damages our environment, and its kinds of pollution, its effects, and the ways to control it. Before starting the chapter, we again need to understand few terms that are related in this chapter. So the first term is environment. Conditions that surrounding living organism. As I told you, whatever condition a living organism is staying in is the environment. Second is pollution. Pollution is the presence of unwanted substances. Now the things, those who are of not use, those substances which are of no use, those who are unwanted substances comes under pollution. Now for example, I'll give you an example. Vehicle. You see many vehicles moving on the road. Now the vehicles emit so many gas that creates pollution. In the same way, cutting of trees or burning of plastics, you see sometimes the garbages are burned somewhere, that creates pollution. So pollution is created by the unwanted substances that are present on the earth. Then comes this third word, pollutant. Pollutant is the substance causing pollution. Now those substances which leads to pollution are called as pollutant. The fourth word is polluter, person responsible for creating pollution. Now who are the polluter? We ourselves. We knowingly or unknowingly, we create various kind of pollution in the society we live in. Yes or no? So we are taught to, Modi, our Prime Minister Mr. Modi has taught us that there should be Swachh Bharat. But still sometimes what we do, we throw away here and there. So these also lead to pollution. So we are the polluter who creates this pollution. Introduction. Earth environment has the most favorable condition for different forms of life. Children, you must have read about planets. You must be knowing we have Earth, Jupiter, Saturn, Pluto, Mars, Venus, so many planets. But Earth is the most favorable. Why? Because here we have all the important gases a living organism need to survive. So Earth is the most favorable place where the environmental condition for existence of life is there. But this environment is slowly being hampered by us. Why? Due to human greed, the environment is in danger. Now what kind of human greed? Like I told you, we have so many needs, we have so many demands. Those needs slowly hampers the environment. Like a simple matchbox that we get it from a tree. So to get that matchbox, to get that matchstick, we cut down trees. So those cutting down of trees, again our need. Because of our human greed, because of our human need, we damage those trees. That creates pollution. We are responsible for creating pollution. We should have a proper balance between land, water, and air. Now, see, in land we live in, water we need for our body, air also we need to breathe, proper air, proper oxygen. So, these three must have a equal balance so that we can maintain the environment and its condition that is favorable for us. So, children, again, in a next slide, I'll be going further.